What if Yellowstone's supervolcano erupted? It could be one of the most catastrophic natural events in history. The initial eruption would send a 30-mile-high ash plume into the sky, devastating everything within 100 miles. Tons of volcanic ash would blanket large parts of the United States, damaging buildings, clogging waterways, and making air travel impossible. The eruption could trigger a volcanic winter, cooling the Earth for years, leading to failed crops and global food shortages. Millions of lives would be affected, with economic losses in the trillions and significant disruptions to daily life worldwide. While such an eruption is unlikely in our lifetime, scientists are closely monitoring Yellowstone to keep us prepared. Curious about more potential disasters? Subscribe for more science facts and stay informed about our planet's biggest threats.